Have you ever wondered what it takes to leave a lasting impression on someone? Words have incredible power. They can build connections, spark emotions, and leave someone thinking about you long after the conversation is over. But it's not just about what you say, it's also how you say it. Today, we'll explore a series of phrases and techniques that are proven to captivate a woman's attention and create undeniable chemistry. These aren't just empty lines, they're rooted in authenticity, confidence, and emotional intelligence. Let's dive in. 1. You inspire me. When you tell a woman that she inspires you, it communicates admiration and appreciation. It shows that you value her mind, her passions, or her personality, not just her appearance. Be specific. For example, the way you approach challenges inspires me to push myself harder. This makes the compliment authentic and deeply meaningful. 2. I've never met anyone like you. This statement highlights her uniqueness and sets her apart. It's a subtle way to make her feel special without overdoing it. Pair it with a specific observation about her personality or actions, like, "Your perspective on things is so refreshing. I've never met anyone like you." 3. I feel at ease when I'm with you. Women value emotional safety and connection. By expressing how comfortable and happy you feel around her, you're showing vulnerability, a trait that's highly attractive when balanced with confidence. It tells her that she has a positive impact on your emotional state. 4. I admire your specific quality. General compliments are nice, but specific ones are unforgettable. Identify a unique quality about her, such as her ambition, kindness, humor, or creativity. For example, I really admire your dedication to your goals. It's rare to find someone so driven. This shows that you pay attention to who she truly is. 5. I'd love to hear more about that. Engaging her in meaningful conversation is key. When she shares something about herself, showing genuine interest by asking her to elaborate is incredibly attractive. For example, "That's fascinating. I'd love to hear more about how you got into that." It demonstrates that you value her thoughts and opinions. 6. You make me want to be better. This is a powerful phrase that conveys both admiration and inspiration. It shows that her presence motivates you to grow and improve as a person. For instance, "Your outlook on life makes me want to approach things with the same positivity and determination." 7. I appreciate you. Appreciation goes a long way, whether it's for something small, like her taking the time to listen to you, or something bigger, like her support during tough times. Expressing gratitude makes her feel valued. For example, "I really appreciate how you always make time to listen. It means a lot to me." 8. I respect your opinion. Respect is foundational in building attraction and trust. When you acknowledge her thoughts or decisions, it shows you value her perspective. For example, "I really respect the way you approached that situation. It says a lot about your character." 9. You're absolutely captivating. This phrase is a bit bolder, but it works when delivered with confidence and sincerity. Whether it's her energy, her laugh, or her intellect, let her know what makes her stand out to you. For example, "The way you talk about your passions is absolutely captivating. It's impossible not to get drawn in." 10. You deserve the best. Ending on this note leaves a strong impression. It conveys respect, admiration, and a selfless acknowledgement of her worth. For example, "You deserve the best in life, and I hope you never settle for anything less." While these phrases are powerful, their impact depends on how you deliver them. 1. Be genuine. Say only what you truly feel. Authenticity shines through and makes your words meaningful. 2. Make eye contact. This establishes trust and adds emotional depth to your words. 3. Match your tone to the situation. Speak with calm confidence, ensuring your delivery feels natural and not rehearsed. 4. Listen and respond. Be attentive to her reaction and follow up with meaningful engagement. Words are a tool, but when used thoughtfully, they become a bridge to deeper connection. These phrases aren't about manipulation. They're about expressing admiration, respect, and appreciation. When used sincerely, they create moments that resonate far beyond the conversation. Remember, confidence and authenticity are your greatest allies. Speak from the heart, and you'll find that all the time it's not just the words themselves, but the person saying them that makes them irresistible.